In this video training, we're going to be talking about fence marketing strategies for contractors like yourself, and in particular, how you can land 5 to 15 new clients every single month without Yelp, Angie's List, or Home Advisor. Let's dive right into this. All right, so why do we want to avoid Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor? Well, it's okay to have a Yelp profile, and it's even better if you have a Yelp profile and you have many positive client testimonials on there. That's good for your brand and your reputation. However, we do not want to rely on Yelp, Angie's List, or Home Advisor for our lead generation efforts. And the reason is clear right in front of us. Well, let's look at this. If I type in fence contractors in Phoenix, or Phoenix as an example as our target city, one of the first things you're going to see, regardless of where you are in the US, right, is Angie's List or Home Advisor paying for advertising space here. And we can see in this advertisement, it says fence installers, don't overpay for contractors. All right, so if I'm actually a consumer looking for a fence installation or looking to have our fence redone, if I'm a consumer, I'm probably going to click on this advertisement. Angie's List is paying a lot of money for this advertisement here, but I'm going to click on this listing and it says compare quotes. All right, now this is good for the consumer because when I enter in my information, I'm going to get quotes not only from you, but I'm going to get quotes from 4 or 5 other fence installation companies. What this means on your side as the actual contractor is that you are now competing on price with all the other local fence installation companies, right? This is not good for your profit margins. It actually makes it very difficult for you to do high quality work because you're having to cut costs, cut profit margins, maybe even downsize your team. All right, and so we want to avoid these websites where you are going to be pinned against your local competition around price. Instead, we want to generate exclusive leads for your business that you own that are not shared with others. That way you can actually go ahead and charge what you're worth. You can have your profit margins, you can run a healthy business, and most importantly, you can deliver a high quality product and service. But in order to deliver that high quality product and service and scale and grow your business, you need to have exclusive leads. All right, so where do we get these exclusive leads? Let's dive into this. All right, so real quickly, guys, my name is Dino Gomez. I'm the founder and CEO of ContractorLegacy365.com, where we help fence contractors like yourself consistently add at a minimum of an additional 5 to 15 new clients every single month. We also offer a free 30-day marketing trial because we are that confident in our results and with the experience that we have working with fence contractors like yourself. So if at any point in time you want a free marketing trial, go to contractorlegacy365.com to get in touch with us. We can discuss your free 30-day marketing trial. All right, now let's look at the 2 marketing channels that you should be utilizing to gain exclusive leads in your market to become the absolute dominant player and contractor in your local space. All right, the first one we're going to look at is actually Facebook. We are going to look at Facebook advertisements. All right, now you will see, and what we are looking at here is a library of other local contractors that are running Facebook ads. We can see Discount Fence. They are paying money to run this advertisement in their local city to acquire new clients and customers. Why are they doing that? Because Facebook ads are about 1/5 the price that Google advertisements are. All right, if we scroll down, we're going to see Premier Fence and Deck Company. They're spending money on Facebook ads. Now, if these advertisements were not bringing them new customers, they would not be still running these advertisements. These are all active advertisements. You might not be seeing the ads because these businesses are only targeting and advertising within a local proximity of where they actually serve their clients. We see East Coast Fence and Deck. They're running an advertisement here as well. Fence Pro in Idaho. Let's see if there's any other more relevant advertisements here. Contractor Clinic, SWI Fence. So as you can see, there's a lot of different local contractors running Facebook ads because it is working. All right, now when we look at Facebook ads, I want to show you guys some best practices so that you can do this correctly. All right, this is the inside of your Facebook ads manager. It might look like a lot, it might be daunting to you. There's definitely plenty of opportunities to make mistakes, but one of the reasons Facebook advertising is so powerful is, again, it's about 1/5 the price of Google advertisements because it is under utilized. All right. Most likely in your local market, you do not have a competitor utilizing this marketing channel. All right. So if you are first to utilize this marketing channel, you can quickly saturate your market and everybody can begin to recognize your brand as the best fence contractor in your local city. All right. So inside of Facebook ads, the reason Facebook ads are so powerful is, again, we can get very specific with our targeting. You can target all the US if you are a national brand, but more likely you just target a local city. So I'm going to do something like Phoenix, and I can target just within the proximity of Phoenix, Arizona. I can decide the radius, how many miles I want to target around the city based on how far you're willing to drive and your actual service area. So now I'm literally just targeting around Phoenix, Arizona, around a 13-mile radius. I can also target, this says people living in or recently in this location. Well, many people visit Phoenix that don't live there. So I'm going to choose people living in this location. We only want residents. Those are the only potential real clients. In terms of age range, 30 to 60, because this suggests, right, that they probably have their finances more in order. They're more likely at this point a homeowner, and therefore, right, they could be in the market for a new fence. In terms of targeting, we can get very specific with targeting. We can target people who are into home improvement projects. We can target couples that are married, right? Again, they probably have more finances in order. They might have small kids that are playing in the yard, and therefore they want a nice privacy fence that's going to keep their kids safe within their yard. But again, with Facebook ads, we can get very granular, very specific with our targeting. All right, and this ensures that our advertisements are going to show up to the right audience. Now, as we look at some other examples here of some Facebook ads, right? You can run Facebook ads and you want to get very specific with your messaging. You can talk about that this would make the perfect Christmas gift. All right, if you're in the fall season, you can have your audience begin thinking about the fact that, hey, they should invest in a fence. If you offer any type of financing program in your advertisement, you can let your audience know that, hey, guess what? We can install a new fence for only $28 a month if you qualify for financing, right? This is an amazing offer that homeowners might not even know exist that live in your local city unless you run advertisements like this. All right, with Facebook ads, really important that you're always testing different graphics, different ad copy, and different images. All right, here's another example on the left. We're trying out different ad copy. We're trying the blue overlay on the left that says Fall Fence Special. On the right, we're talking, we mentioned that, hey, there's different options between fences. There's wood, vinyl, iron, or chain link available. And we've found that before and after photos convert very, very well. So there's another strategy for you there. All right, now in addition to running Facebook ads, that isn't just enough. All right, one of the common mistakes we see from contractors who try and run advertisements themselves is that they send their traffic directly to their website. The problem is that oftentimes your website is not optimized for mobile. It might be slow to load. And otherwise, people come here and they get overwhelmed. There's just too many things going on. There's too many buttons to click. They don't necessarily know what to do next. They get lost on your website. They end up forgetting to contact you because they get busy and they go turn around to go cook dinner rather than actually placing a phone call to you. So one of the things that you do want to do is you want to have a landing page that is custom built, that is designed for mobile, that loads very quickly. Here's an example of a landing page template that we use for roofers. Again, we don't want to show you the actual landing page we use for fence contractors out of respect to our fence contracting clients. We always have privacy with any fence contractors that we work with, and we only exclusively work with one fence contractor per radius to ensure you have an unfair advantage. But your landing page should look like this. There should only be one place to click, which is to enter and collect the actual lead information. You can't have a phone call as long as you are actively answering your phones. On this page, you should also list the types of fences you deliver, the benefits of having a fence, and include screenshots of some of your best testimonials from your clients. You can pull these right from Yelp or otherwise from your Google page. All right, but photos of your team or yourself actually installing a fence, again, before and after photos work very, very, very nicely. And so again, Facebook advertising is a massive, massive opportunity for you. The other channel, the second marketing channel that we want to focus in on is TikTok. All right, talk about getting to the market early and being first to market. TikTok ads are fantastic. They run very similar to Facebook. We can target directly around your service area. They're even cheaper than Facebook ads, and we absolutely guarantee it at the time of this recording that your competition is not running TikTok advertisements. This is something that you should go ahead and look into, is running TikTok advertisements in your local service area. You don't need to spend a ton of money here. $15 a day will make sure that every qualified homeowner in your service area sees your advertisement, and again, you can build interest and consideration for them becoming a client. But what we are seeing through data with our current clients is that TikTok and Facebook advertisements are driving inquiries every single day. All right, so you need to hop into Facebook ads. You need to hop into TikTok ads because Angie's List, Yelp, and these other sites, right, are positioning you to be in a price war with other local fence installation companies. All right, so those are two sound marketing channels that we highly recommend for you to grow your fencing contractor business. If you are looking for help doing this, if you want to just focus on installing new fences, running your team, growing your business, and you want us to actually handle the technical side of running these advertisements for you, get in touch with us at contractorlegacy365.com for a free 30-day marketing trial. All right, my name is Dino Gomez. I hope this was helpful, guys. The big light bulb opportunity here is that you need to get on Facebook and you need to get on TikTok, in particular Facebook ads and TikTok advertisements. This is the easiest and most streamlined way to grow your fence contracting business. We'll see you in the next video.